Today we're going to talk about searching in CAB Direct. Two of the most difficult parts of the search process are selecting the correct databases and knowing the vocabulary of your information needs so you can develop an effective search strategy. Select CAB Direct from either the Agricultural Library Guide or the A to Z Databases link. CAB Abstracts covers all aspects of agricultural, including botany. It's international in scope. Citations date back to 1910, and it covers tropical agriculture very well. We'll cover how to use a thesaurus and how to use a search history. First, we're going to go to the advanced search and type in agroforestry. The next line, using and as a connector, we're going to choose specific. We're going to search. Is this too many results? How can we improve the search? You can use the subjects on the right-hand side to refine the search. You can add the concept with and use the thesaurus to limit search descriptor and fields. We're going to look at some of the refined topics. Now we're going to go to the thesaurus, search on agroforestry, and open the hierarchy that results. Create a search for agroforestry and agroforestry systems by selecting from the thesaurus term. Note the automatic inclusion of the OR Boolean operator that connects the topics. This will increase your search results. Now we're going to click on the results and see how many we get. There are over 23,000 results. We're going to clear the search, go back to the thesaurus, and search the thesaurus again for Pacific. We're going to open the hierarchy for Pacific Islands, which is on the next page. And we're going to select these terms. Pacific Islands, American Oceania, Australian Oceania, French Polynesia, or Oceania, and note the or connector between all subjects. We're going to send this to CAB Direct. This is a different database. It's going to send it into the search. Let me see how many results we get. This is looking for variants on Pacific Islands, the term Pacific Islands. We get over 270,000. So now we're going to use the search history and combine previous sets. We can't add terms to the search history. We can just connect them by clicking on the boxes and using and connector. And combine. And that connects the two searches. It's quite a long search, and it saves time this way. Okay. Now we can clear this search and search breadfruit or Artocarpus utilis in quotation marks, so it searches it as a phrase and not separately. And we hit search. And we should get. So we search. And we combine the searches. And we should get 11 results. Let's take a look at the Find It button and what that does. So let's look at the record. It'll bring us to the record and tell us if we have it in the library, if it exists in the library, either as a print or electronic resource. And it tells us that we do not have the full text. So we then go to Request Document. This is the interlibrary loan that's provided. And we're going to log in with our username and password. And this is a nice feature because it will populate the form. You don't have to enter in the information for your interlibrary loan request. It does it for you. For some reason this one didn't include the title, but there should be enough information there. You hit submit request, and this will be sent to you as a PDF if it is an article. Okay, now we can save the search. You have to be signed up for MyCabby to do this. There are different features. You can print it, you can mail it, or you can export it to a citation list using EndNote Basic or EndNote or Zotero. If you click on the MyCabby, you can sign up for MyCabby, and this will allow you to save some searches, searches that were useful. And if you go into search history and save searches, you can name the project and save it in that way. And that way you can pick it up later and add to it, creating a new project. Another thing that you can do is go to your saved searches and set up an email alert whereby every week you get the new topics that are that follow your search. So once you set up your MyCabby, you can do this. And that's it. Thank you.